NIO ET7 is released, over 500,000. According to its manufacturer, it targets at BMW 5 and 7 series. Many said it's too expensive. Let me show you if this car is good value for money. We have different taste for the appearance, so no comments. Many said its 3 horns are hideous and look like the cab's top light, as well as the Dragon King's horns in A Journey to the West. The ADAPT's know it's a laser radar or the auxiliary cameras of the 8 megapixel. Its operation capability is 2000 T. Its hardware is top and expensive, but it's also ugly. Many said its interior is as simple as Tesla Model 3, but its materials are better. The lower part of the central control is Nappa leather, so are the seats. On it is microfiber velvet, but I don't care about them. For heating, ventilating, massage seats, these, 4 doors, or a double-layered adhesive glasses with electric section. Why don't you install a glove box at this shotgun? There's no place but put things. No glasses box up there either. Having learned from Model 3, its external rearview mirror and the wheel are adjusted on the big screen. Alias, the atmosphere of the back seat is a bit homelike. The problem is, due to its battery down there, the seats are a bit high, so I'm close to its glass roof. See the sun now? It makes your head feel hot. A large space for legs, over 3 feet. The floor is flat, the seat is soft, its twin engine is powerful. The 0 to 100 km/h time is 3.5 seconds. Can't use the sports mode, or if you hit the gas when your wife is in the car, she will divorce you at once. You have to use the housing mode for a long journey. It won't accelerate too quickly, the suspension is softer, and the turning is gentler, along with its nice sound insulation and noise reduction. It feels so good to drive. This is a battery of over 100 kWh. Its endurance is said to be over 600 kilometers. My days of testing shows that its consumption per 100 kilometers is around 17 kWh. In that way, it can run 100 kilometers at the most. Let me remind you, you should buy the battery. A car with a rental battery is hard to be sold as a used car. If I give 100,000, will you buy it or a BMW 5?